The 7-Day Cucumber Diet. Hey everyone, welcome to the Health Yard. I'm Jake, and today I'm going to tell you about the amazing cucumber diet. I know you're probably thinking, not another fad diet, but this one really works. It's easy to understand why, and it's quick and effortless because it only takes 7 days. So I'm going to explain it to you now, and by the end of this video, you will understand too. Some of the main reasons why a lot of people struggle to maintain their diets are costs, thinking up new meals, and the effort it takes. But cucumber solves all of these, and it tastes great. Cucumber only has 16 calories per 100 grams, so an average cucumber only has 60 calories in the whole thing. This means that you can eat them as much as you like and not worry about the calories. Secondly, cucumber is cheap, really cheap. It costs next to nothing and is a great way to fill up your plate. You don't have to worry about thinking up all those meals or buying and preparing all of your snacks. Because for these 7 days, all you really need is cucumber. A few extra food items are needed, but if you stick around, I'll demonstrate an average day on the diet so you know what sort of food you'll need. An example of an average day on the cucumber diet looks like this. For breakfast, you could have some eggs, any way you like, with a side of cucumber garnish. For lunch, you could make a nice cucumber salad with a portion of low-fat yogurt. For dinner, you could prepare a chicken breast, a portion of cucumber, and some brown rice. Or if you don't want to cook, you could just have cucumber and cottage cheese. As for snacks, you should have about 1 to 2 cucumbers between each meal. Aside from the low-calorie benefits of cucumber, it also has great health benefits too. For example, the nutrients that it does have are all very high. It also contains antioxidants to help break down harmful atoms that can cause chronic illnesses. And cucumber is a great source of hydrogen. It's mostly water. About 95% of cucumber is made up of water. However, one thing to remember is that while the cucumber diet is an amazing way to lose weight and really detox yourself, it is not designed to be maintained for more than 2 weeks maximum. This is because it's not a sustainable way to eat. Cucumber itself can't provide the complete range of nutrition that our bodies need to survive. Also, you're going to get pretty bored eating cucumbers all day, every day. So go on and give it a try, just for a week. Let us know how you get on in the comments below. If you've already tried it, leave a comment about what you thought of it. Thank you so much for listening. If you liked the video, please click the thumbs up. And if you've got any comments, then please feel free to leave them below, and I'll try to answer as many as possible. I'd love to hear how you get on with your cucumber. Also, remember to hit the subscribe button below if you want to see more great content like this, and then click on the bell to be notified every time new content is uploaded. Thanks again for watching. Now, where did I put all those cucumbers?